In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp profile info connecting problem. If you're trying to log into your WhatsApp account and from the profile info page it's keep connecting, then here is how we can actually fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the WhatsApp profile info connecting problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go ahead and swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and go ahead and turn this option off. This will slightly restart the network system, or even you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. And right after that, you just need to get back from here and then open up the Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp here. And then go and tap on the WhatsApp, and if you found any pending update, go and tap on this update button and update your WhatsApp application to the very latest version. And once you have updated the app, you just need to get back from here and force close all the application from the background and then restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, try log into your account again, and most likely your profile info connecting problem will be fixed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.